Lecture 9. Imagine a world where everything is perfectly balanced, where every action has an equal and opposite reaction, where symmetry is the rule of the day. Sounds peaceful, right? But in truth, such a world would be a void, a place where nothing happens because there is no force to drive change. That's because our world, the one we live in, is inherently asymmetrical and uneven. Think of it this way. Have you ever tried to balance a pencil perfectly on its point? It's nearly impossible. Why? Because the world isn't built to be perfectly balanced. It's built for change, for movement, for progression. Consider the concept of repulsion and anti-gravity. In a world of perfect balance, these two forces would cancel each other out, reducing everything to zero. But our world doesn't operate like that. Instead, we use versatile attraction. Picture this. You're about to jump. To do so, you have to squat down, pressing your body harder into the earth. You're increasing the force of gravity on your body, disrupting the balance. And then, you jump. You move by inertia in the opposite direction, breaking away from the Earth. Similarly, the inertia of chain reactions in space is transmitted to our planet. It changes the balance of our particles, stirring us from our slumber and pushing us to act. We move again by inertia, disturbing the balance of particles, substances, and our bodies, and in turn we transfer this inertia to other objects. So, in essence, the world is a giant game of push and pull. A series of imbalances that drive change and progression. It's not a static, symmetrical sphere, but a dynamic, ever-changing ecosystem. And just as the world is inherently asymmetrical, so too are our lives. We are constantly experiencing change, constantly seeking balance. This balance isn't a static point, but a dynamic range, a space in which we can grow and evolve. So, the next time you feel like your life is out of balance, remember that balance isn't about achieving perfect symmetry. It's about embracing the asymmetry, the unevenness, the change. It's about finding your own unique equilibrium in a world that's designed for imbalance. It's a fascinating concept to explore, isn't it? Dive into it, ponder on it. The world is an asymmetrical, uneven place, and that's what makes it, and us, so incredibly interesting. So go ahead, disrupt the balance, embrace the change, and see where it takes you.